We are continuously improving our licensing site based on feedback from our customers. The web pages shown in this video may therefore differ from the ones you'll see on the site when you log in. We offer 4 services that businesses can use free of charge. They are License Status Checker, License Pay Only, License Assist, and License Management. You must have a business account on our licensing system to use these services. Before you set up an SIA business account, you should check with your company if any of your colleagues have already set one up. If they have, ask them to add you as a business user. We'll explain how to do this later in the video. If you already have a personal SIA online account, you can ask us to add a business account to it. To do this, log into your SIA online account, select the My Account tab, and then select Register for a Business Account from the menu on the left-hand side. Fill in the form, and then select the blue Register button at the bottom of the page. We provide advice on how to fill in this form in the next section of this video. To begin, go to our website at www.gov.uk/SIA and click on Log into your SIA online account. This is the first link in the purple list in the center of the page. From the login page, select Register for a Business Account. This is the bottom rectangular blue button on the right-hand side. The registration form will ask you for your name. You will also need to create a username and password and enter your email address. Please make sure you use a personal work email address that you have access to, not a general email address like info@ or licensing@. We will ask you to confirm your email address. This is so that we, and you, can be sure that you've entered it correctly. Please put your main business number in the landline field and then enter your mobile number. This will help us prioritize your call if you need to contact us. The form will then ask you to enter information about your business. When prompted to choose the account type, you have 2 options. Our License Status Checker service allows you to check that the security operatives you deploy hold valid SIA licenses. Our License Pay Only service lets you do that and also pay for licenses on behalf of operatives. Approved contractors may also use our License Assist or License Management services. We explain more about what these services offer in a separate video. Just click the link in the video description below. Fill in the form including the business name, address, telephone number, and email address. When you're happy that the information is correct, select the blue Register button at the bottom of the page. If you are an SIA approved contractor and you wish to use our License Assist or License Management service, first set up your account type as License Pay Only. You can then use the contact form in your account to ask us to change the service. To do this, click the Help tab. Guidance on using the extra features available through these account types can be found on our website. By setting up a business account, you'll automatically become a super user for your business. We explain what this means in a separate video. Just click the link in the description below. The screens we show in this video are the ones you'll see as a super user. People with other account types may see these screens differently or not at all. An on-screen message will tell you when you've successfully submitted your registration form. We will send an email containing an activation link to the email address you entered on the form. Click on the link in the email to activate your account, then select the Go to Login button, which will then take you to the login page. You must use the activation link within 48 hours of receiving it. You will only be able to log into your account after you've activated it. If you do not receive an activation email, please check your spam or junk folder. If it's not there, please wait at least 48 hours and check again before contacting us. On the login page, enter your email address or username on the left-hand side of the page, followed by your password. Then click the blue Login button underneath to log into your account. The first time you log in, we'll ask you for more details about yourself, including whether you've previously held or applied for a license. We will use your answers to match your new account with any records we have for you. Once you have logged in, you will see your business account homepage. If you selected to use our license status checker service, your homepage will look like this. If you selected to use our license pay only service, your homepage will look like this. We can keep you informed by sending you an email or a message to your online account, or both. You control which methods of communication we use. To manage how you receive information from us, select the Business Account tab and select the Manage Notifications option from the menu on the left-hand side. The Notification Type drop-down allows you to choose from 3 broad categories. Account notifications are messages relating to people's SIA online accounts, such as the message we send when someone is locked out of their account or wants to reset their password. Application notifications are messages relating to people's license applications, such as the next steps instructions and requests for further information. Decision notifications are messages relating to our licensing decisions, such as whether we have granted or refused a license. Choose the option you want to change, then click on the blue Manage button. You can choose to receive notifications to your email inbox, your SIA business account, or both. Click on a checkbox to select it. Click on it again to deselect it. When you're happy with your selection, click the blue Save button. If you want to make changes to the other notification types, click Manage Notifications from the menu on the left-hand side and select another notification type. There are 3 types of business account: Administrator, Operator, and Super User. We explain each of these in detail in a separate video. When you set up a business account, you automatically become a super user for your business. As a super user, you can invite other people in your organization to become business users. They must have an SIA online account before you can do that. Click on the Business Users tab. The Our Business Users page lists all your current business users, detailing their name and user role. Click on the blue Invite a Business User button. Here you're asked to agree to terms and conditions about granting another user access to your business account. To accept, click the tick box above I have read and agree with the terms and conditions. Enter the first name, surname, and email address of the person you want to be a business user. The email address must be the same one registered to their SIA online account. Select the role you want to assign to the new business user from the drop-down box, and then click the blue Send Invitation button. We will then send them an email, which will ask them to log into their SIA online account and accept or decline your invitation. They have 48 hours to accept the invitation before it expires. We will send you a message to tell you if they've accepted or declined the invitation. Our message will ask you to confirm the link. The link will not be established until you do. To confirm the link, click on the Business Users tab, select Accepted from the Filter People By drop-down list, go to their entry in the list, and select the blue Confirm button. To remove a business user, click on the Business Users tab and select Confirmed from the Filter People By drop-down list. Go to the relevant entry in the list and select the red Unlink button. We will then ask you to confirm that you wish to remove the user. Click the red Remove User button to confirm, or click the grey Cancel button if you do not wish to remove them. If you require assistance, you can contact us through your business account. To do this, click the Help tab. Under Reason of Contact, select I have an enquiry from the drop-down menu. You'll then be asked to select the category that best describes your query from a second drop-down menu. If relevant, you can also upload documents to support your query. To do so, click the grey Browse and Upload button and attach the file you want to upload. Finally, click the blue Submit button at the bottom of the page. We'll send a confirmation message to your registered email address or your online account, or both. This message will contain a reference number. If you need to contact us about the same query, you should quote this number. This will help us to assist you. You can filter messages by status, who the request was submitted by, and whether the message has been read or not. The Submitted By filter will show current and previous business users for your organization. You can also search for messages that relate to a particular person by using the search bar and entering a name, date of birth, application number, or license number. We provide a guide on how to use the business account once it's been set up. Select the link in the video description for information on a guide on using the SIA's License Status Checker or License Pay Only services.